This is the summary of Lecture 3 to 5. How to build better learning habits. Tips on how a habit becomes a routine. A study shows that building a completely new and consistent habit takes about 66 days. So it is very natural that you may stumble along the way. In establishing long-lasting habits, there are 4 things to remember in the path to building a success routine. Habits should be viewed as not competition, but accumulation, not comparison, but progress. Not a sprint, but a marathon. Not obligations, but opportunities. To put it simply, we need to pace ourselves to continuously move forward, despite fighting with occasional slacking off or motivation lacking. In other words, we should take a long-term perspective when working towards building new habits, rather than trying to reach goals at once or in a short period of time. How to overcome setbacks. Referring to books such as Atomic Habits, The Power of Habits, Tiny Habits, and so on, there are several important takeaways to reflect on in building our daily habits. One of the easiest ways to create a new habit is to change your perspective on the desired behavior by redefining obligations as opportunities. For example, studying English every night after dinner should be perceived as an exciting opportunity to get a job overseas, not as a source of frustrations or obligations. Second, pampering yourself with instant rewards at the end of a behavior is more likely to keep you motivated than delayed rewards can. For example, doing something immediately satisfying at the end of each studying session can keep you more motivated as opposed to delayed rewards like a better job. Last but not least, collaborative learning, such as forming a study group, is another effective way of establishing better learning habits. Learning with others can help you not only gain different perspectives, improve overall productivity, but deepen your understanding of the subject matter. By working with peers, you can ask questions and receive feedback on your learning progress. Developing effective studying habits is an ongoing process that requires commitment and dedication. By starting with establishing a clear goal, creating a schedule on a weekly basis, prioritizing what to focus on, and celebrating small wins, you can have a sense of progress, maintain motivation, and finally reach momentum in the end. With consistent effort and patience, a habit finally becomes a routine, which is decisive of achieving your learning objectives. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day. It's better to accomplish a little bit every day than trying to run a marathon all at once. Remember, learning is a journey, and no one but yourself put obstacles in your path to achieving your goals. I'd like to wrap it up today by borrowing my all-time favorite quotes. The purpose of life is to learn, and to learn. Life is a challenge or nothing. So please keep challenging yourself, and every little step you take towards your learning objectives will bring you closer to success. Thank you everyone for listening, and let's keep studying hard.